An unlucky camel walked right into a mountain lion's ambush. The mountain lion gave it no chance to escape, immediately clamping down on its throat and trying to bring it down. The camel struggled violently, desperately trying to break free, but it wasn't enough. The mountain lion increased its grip, eventually snapping the camel's neck. Although the mountain lion isn't as large as a lion, it never fears opponents bigger than itself. Even when facing a massive grizzly bear, it will still attack. A grizzly's strength is comparable to a tiger. One swipe could seriously injure the mountain lion. The mountain lion only dared to challenge because the bear was protecting its cubs. After several rounds, the grizzly was forced to retreat but didn't see the mountain lion as prey otherwise. The outcome would have been very different. In the end, the grizzly chose to leave the scene.